Hello and welcome to Fields BMW Lakeland. This is Nathan with your Genius team. Today we're going to look at a feature found on SiriusXM equipped vehicles called Favorites. This feature allows you to select an artist or song title, and then the system will then alert you when that song or artist is playing elsewhere on satellite radio. So we're using this 2018 X4 as our demo vehicle today. We're going to come over here to the media radio functions, make sure we're on satellite radio. And I've got it set up here on 90s on 9. We're listening to a little Tom Petty there. If we would like to set Tom Petty or Free Fallin' in particular as a favorite, we'll just rock over here, come down, add to favorites. We'll select that and choose which one we would like to add. So let's just say we like all Tom Petty songs. Click on Tom Petty there. And so that's now added to our favorites. So when that comes up, the vehicle will alert us. So down here, we're going to hit the option button, and we're going to scroll all the way down to manage our favorites. So we see that Tom Petty's in there. We're going to activate the alert. I'm going to rocking back to the left here, just to kind of get back out to this. And so now, when there's an alert, anytime Tom Petty will show up on satellite radio. And so this is how your favorites. Now it's a little bit different than a preset because it's not a particular station. It's an artist or song. So if you have any questions, please give us a call, 863-816-1234, or come by and see us just off I-4 at exit 33 at 4285 Lakeland Park Drive here in beautiful Lakeland, Florida. We'll see you then.